Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to create a Weverse account. So when you open your Weverse app and start Weverse, you can now select a language, for example, English. And then you need to tap on join or log in. And then here you can sign up using your Twitter account, Google account, or Apple account. So for this example, I will choose Google account. So you need to choose an account. And then once you've done, you need to accept the terms and condition. Please agree to the terms of use. And then tap on next. And then right here, you need to tap on join or log in. So that's it. You're now on your Weverse app. So if you want to edit your profile, just go to the profile at the bottom right corner and go to my profile. So here you can join a community and create your profile. Or simply go to the settings to edit your email, your password, your username, so you can start on your Weverse account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.